With salmon fish guys. You put some flour before you fry para hindi siya difficult. Gagawin mo lang guys. And then, ang ingay ng ating pinapanood. Live na guys, Sir Morales. And ito po ay chili pork. Red egg. Brown pork. Looking for lunch guys. And this is my deli. Okay, everywhere, every day. As a OFW here in Hong Kong guys. Sorry kung medyo maingay, gawa nga ng ating rinsod, kaya maingay. Ayan yung rinsod ni Kao. My dish for today guys. Frying salmon fish and shrimp pork with vegetables. A simple lunch guys, simple lunch. This is my vegetables choice. I might present. Yan. Ganyan ako mag-fry guys. Frying with salmon fish. One of favorite ng aking alaga. Mas maganda talaga pag pag non-stick yung ginagamit natin kawali kasi mas matipid sa oil. Bisaya man good, kaya oil. Ayan. Kasi mas gusto ng bata yung fried rice. Favorite ni Ocean.